Hello everybody, my name is Julia del Carmen Ramirez Medina, and today I'm going to present a country comparison chart. In this case of these two countries, number one we have United States and number two we have Canada. So I'm going to be explaining you some visuals. Okay, so the first one that we have is a population by age. We're going to describe this population by age by using this kind of graph. That this is a line graph, shows the population by age in each of the countries. So in the first one we have Canada in the year of 2023, and we have the other one that is from USA in 2023 also. So in these two graphs, we can see that we have the amount of population, and in the other side we have the age of the people. So we can see that increase in some of the ages of the people and in others decrease. Okay, so this is comparing the population by age of these people. This is another kind of chart that we can use as a visual. This is another population by age, but in this case we can use a whole paragraph. We can make it in simple sentences to make it clear. So in here we have the population of both in United States and in Canada that is aging. Okay, so we have United States in 2023 and in Canada in 2024. So if you can see, we have only simple sentences with clue words. My next visual is a bar graph that shows the number of birth rates that each of the country has, okay, from the 1990s to the 2022. It shows the amount of birth that each of these countries has by year and the number of population that was in birth. Here we have the other chart, the other bar graph also, that shows the amount of birth in Canada from the 2000 to the 2023. And if you can see here, we have the years, and here we have the amount of people based on birth rates. The last visual that I use is major population center, and this is a horizontal bar graph where it represents each of the cities that each of the country has, showing the horizontal axis based on the amount of people that each of the city has. So we can see that in the first graph, we can see the cities of the United States, that the first one that we have with major population is New York, based on the horizontal axis that we can see in the first one, and we can see also by the colors. Look at the second one. We have the population of Canada, and we can see that Ontario is the first one that we have, and it's in color red. So this is comparing the amount of population that centers in each of the countries. And to finish with the explanation of the visuals, you can use some questions to have a better comprehension of each of the visuals. So I use these questions. What percentage of the population is under 15 years of age? This is based in the first visual that we use. Then we have another ones that it could be a comparison of which of both countries has higher birth rates. That was the second visual that I used. And the last one, what is the most populated city in USA? So as you can see, this was the last graph that I used, and I use these questions to have a better comprehension and be more clear. Thank you for watching me.